In 1976, New York's Museum of Modern Art, together with organizations involved in urban transportation, launched the Taxi Project, Realistic Solutions for Today. The goal was practical: rethink the city taxi around safety, efficiency, comfort, accessibility, and the demanding conditions of Manhattan. More than 10 American manufacturers were approached, but Volvo was among the European companies invited to participate. Volvo developed a purpose-built experimental taxi, officially known as the Volvo Experimental Taxi, and later associated with the name New York Taxi. Volvo's own historical material dates the vehicle to 1977, although the project and Museum of Modern Art exhibition began in 1976. It was a single experimental vehicle, not a production model. The taxi used front-wheel drive, an automatic transmission, and an inline six-cylinder diesel producing 70 horsepower. Its compact 440 centimeters length was combined with a tall body, short overhangs, generous interior space, and a tight turning circle, useful characteristics for crowded city streets. Its maximum speed was over 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour. Safety was the central theme. Volvo applied its safety cage principle, surrounding the passenger compartment with reinforced structures while using energy-absorbing zones at the front and rear. 5 strong cross members reinforced the floor, while tubular steel members protected the doors and sides. Heavy rubber molding along the body helped prevent expensive minor damage in dense urban traffic. The passenger compartment contained an unusual restraint system. Instead of conventional seat belts, passengers used a padded, adjustable safety bar that pulled down across the lap. The rear seat could accommodate 3 people, while part of the seat folded to create space for a wheelchair. A wide electrically operated sliding door on the curb side made entry easier. Volvo also paid unusual attention to the driver. A bullet-resistant partition of glass and armored steel separated the driver from passengers. The driver had a 3-point seat belt, head restraint, large windshield, writing table, reading lamp, safe, and even a refrigerator. The project never led to a production Volvo taxi. New York continued with conventional taxis, while the experimental car became a demonstration of Volvo's approach to safety, accessibility, and urban design. Today, the Volvo Experimental Taxi remains an important chapter in the company's concept car history and is preserved at the Volvo Museum in Gothenburg.